Guys, so welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm teaching you how I get this messy hair into this. So make sure you are subscribing to the channel, make sure you like it, and comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. I have received many positive feedback from Instagram. Are you following me on Instagram? Make sure you do that. I will leave it somewhere around here somewhere. Okay, this is an old wash and go and it's so dirty. We're gonna tame this in a minute. It's gonna be looking really cute. So if you're having the same dilemma, if you have dirty hair and you don't feel like washing it, then this is the right video for you. Okay, so if you would like to continue watching this video and this tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay, so numero uno, we're gonna take this little thing out of my hair. I'm looking crazy. So next up, what I like to do is fluff it out just a bit so I can get some volume with my bun-ish. Oh, did I mention I'm gonna dye my hair soon? I know some people are like, why? But I love your black hair. Sis, I'm about to turn 25 and I think I'm in like an identity crisis and I just want a different look. I'm just tired of black hair. After I fluff my hair out, I am going to, what am I doing? Oh, so I take this mango moisture that I received by B Rose Essentials. I'm gonna take a good amount because I like to moisturize. Some of it dropped. Okay, so I like to moisturize my hair a little bit. So I'm gonna start putting it in the back of my hair, like so, and on my edges, cause lately my edges has not my edges has been so thin. I don't know if it's stress, I don't know if it's manipulation, but I don't really do much to my hair anyway, so it's probably stress. So I'm actually gonna take some of this water, spritz my ends a bit. The next step is I'm going to finally put some gel in my hair. I am using the Eco Styler gel. This is the black seed castor oil. So now I'm going to be putting more gel. I'm gonna put more gel over here. Okay, so I put the gel all around my big head. So then we're gonna take this handy dandy dingy brush. Next step to this, I'm taking this Edge Wax Extreme Hold. So next I'm going to be using this cut up stocking that I did months ago. I also have a tutorial on how I do a high puff with this. You can use black, you can use a shoestring, or you can use like these things. They're stretchy. That is that. You don't need a facelift, just do a bun. Period, poo. Period. My next step to this whole tutorial. Ready? You ready? We're gonna take this. We're gonna take this band, and I usually just go like this with my hair. I bunch my hair all together and put it into like this weird little thing. I don't know what this is called, but we just gonna work with it, okay? So I just place it like this. I'm just holding my hair down. I'm gonna take this and I'm going to put this around it once, right? And then I'm going to go like this, so twist it and then do another one of these. Okay, so yeah. All right, so bobby pins placed right here to cover the stocking, right? If you would like, which I'm going to right now, I'm going to use another one of these and tie this around. So now that I have this bun all up with my big behind head, I am going to take this cute pink scrunchie. You can take any scrunchie that you like. For the finale, I'm going to do my edges. We're gonna go like this. I start off doing my edges like this. Ooh, Lord Jesus, you see that? All right. People really be walking out the house like this. Is like, what is that? I'm going to take the edge wax, right? And then I'm just going to place that on my edges. Who am I today? What? I always have a hard time doing this side though. I just hope it turns out good. So this is basically the whole tutorial of this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know if you're going to be doing a similar look, like similar I can't say that word, what the heck, similar look like this hairstyle. Let me know. If you do and you upload it to Instagram, tag moi, Style of Catalina, and I will definitely shout you out, okay sis? And yeah, that is it. If God willing, I will see you in the next video, and make sure you love others because God loved you first. Bye.